back once again, another video here talking about compound interest. This is a basic video, everything you need to know about it here. Don't need to get too crazy about it. Basically what you do is you start off, in my case in this list, with $1, and we'll see how many times do you have to double up before you get to 1,000,000. Did the math for you, it's pretty easy. But let's say you buy something for $1, sell it for $2, then you buy something for $2, multiply that by 2 again because you doubled up, sold it for 4, and you just keep going down the list. So the key to this is you can't touch your winnings. That's the whole point about compound interest, is the money you profited on, you reinvest it, and you keep doubling up, and sometimes you can skip and triple up. But if you see here and we flip it over, it takes 20 times to reach 1,000,000. Math is done right there. Boom. That's how you start a business. Take $1, remember it was $1 that you started with, invest it in something, keep doubling up, keep going down the list, keep doubling up, tripling up for even faster results. And when you're done, that's how you hit 1,000,000. But once again, the key is not to touch the profit or the money. Just keep doing this and forget about it.